You want to go outside? Is that a yes? Please be careful. Don't try to catch any birds. I'm going to watch you. You get 1 hour. Okay, there's bird flu going around. They're putting down people's pets. So you get 1 hour supervised. Okay, Claudia, promise me you're going to not catch any birds. Okay, is that a yes? You're going to stick to the deck and you're going to stay where I can see you, okay? I'm going to give you 1 hour. Listen to me, you get 1 hour of supervised outdoor time, okay? Here you go. Henry, are you going? There you go. She's going ham on that mat.